How to make your whipped body butters less greasy. Hi, my name is Janie. Today I'm going to be answering on how to make your whipped body butters less greasy. Okay, so one of the things you're going to want to avoid first is the oils that do not absorb easily into the skin. They take just a little bit longer. They do absorb and they are good for the skin, but they take a little bit longer to absorb. So what you're going to want to do is avoid these ones. Now I'm going to be looking at my notes. The ones you're going to want to be avoiding because they do take a little bit longer to absorb into the skin are castor oil, olive oil, palm oil, and coconut oil. These ones you're going to want to avoid if you want to make it a little bit less greasy. Well, less greasy. And then the ones you want to use, the ones that these oils that absorb easier into the skin are sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, rosehip oil, apricot kernel oil. These ones do absorb a lot faster and easier into the skin. So those ones, you can use them if you do want to make your body butter less greasy. Now, also another thing, if you do want to use the castor oil, olive oil, palm oil, coconut oil, different oils like those that absorb a little bit slower, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use arrowroot powder. Now, this is one of the things that they don't mention, but the secret to making your body butter less greasy is arrowroot powder. So you're going to want to look into that, or I could just make a video right next after, but yeah, it's arrowroot powder. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and have a beautiful day.